Hello guys, welcome to Study Studio. Today we will study physics. Chapter 1, Motion. Motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to time or surroundings. For example, a moving car, a flying bird are examples of motion. Now rest. A body is said to be in rest if it does not change its position with respect to time or surrounding. A person standing on roadside, a car parked in parking, etc. are in rest. Controlled motion. A motion that can be controlled by human beings is called controlled motion. These are helpful motions and can serve the human beings. Example, motion of a car, motion of water in river, etc. Uncontrolled motion. A motion that cannot be controlled by human beings is called uncontrolled motion. These are harmful motions. Example, motion of water in floods, tsunamis, hurricanes, etc. Question. Why it is said that motion and rest are always relative but never absolute? Answer. Motion and rest are always relative but never absolute. It means an object can be in motion in one situation and rest in another situation. Example, a person sitting in a running bus is in motion with respect to road and in rest with respect to the bus. This is why the motion and rest are always relative but never absolute. Reference point. A fixed point with respect to which an object changes its position is called reference point. Position. Position is the point in space that an object occupies. Distance and displacement. Distance. The actual path traveled by an object from its initial position to final position is called distance. It is a scalar quantity, its SI unit is meter, and the distance is always in positive and never in negative. While displacement is the shortest path traveled by an object to reach its final position. It is a vector quantity and its SI unit is also meter. The distance traveled by an object is always greater or equal to displacement. They are equal in straight line motion. Now, what is odometer? Answer. Odometer is a device which is used to measure distance traveled by an object. Scalar and vector quantity. Scalar quantity. The physical quantity which has only magnitude are called scalar quantity. Example, mass, volume, time and distance. While vector quantity, the physical quantity which has magnitude as well as direction are called vector quantity. Example, weight, force, displacement, etc. The rate of change of distance is called speed. It is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is meter per second. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Types of speed: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed and instantaneous speed. Uniform speed. If an object travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, then its speed is called uniform speed or constant speed. Non-uniform speed. If an object travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then its speed is called non-uniform speed. Third, average speed. The average speed of an object can be defined as the ratio of the total distance traveled to the total time taken. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. Instantaneous speed. The speed of an object at any instant during its motion is called instantaneous speed. Now, what is a speedometer? Speedometer is a device which is used to indicate the instantaneous speed of a vehicle. Velocity. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. It is a vector quantity and its SI unit is meter per second. Velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Types of velocity. There are 4 types of velocity: uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. Uniform velocity. If an object travels equal displacement in equal intervals of time without changing its direction, its velocity is known as uniform or constant velocity. Number 2. Non-uniform velocity. If an object travels unequal displacement in equal intervals of time without changing its direction, then its velocity is known as non-uniform velocity. Average velocity. It is defined as the ratio of total displacement traveled to the total time taken. Average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. 4. Instantaneous velocity. The velocity of an object at any instant during its motion is called instantaneous velocity. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel.